5 amazing Google Chrome tips that you did not know. Number 1 is pin a tab. You can actually pin a tab in Google Chrome. When you do this, even if you accidentally close Chrome, your pin tab will always stay minimized and ready for you. Number 2 is calculator. Did you know that Google Chrome search bar can act as a calculator? You can do calculations including currency conversions like dollars to rupees right in the search bar. This feature also works on Android phones. Number 3 is tab groups. Instead of dealing with clutter or bookmarks and many open tabs, you can create tab groups. Just select the tabs you want, right click and put them into a group. These groups can be collapsed and are more efficient way to organize your tabs than bookmarks. To save your groups permanently, you need to enable the tab group save setting. To do this, search for Chrome // in the address bar. Find the tab group save option, enable it and then relaunch Chrome. Now you can click on the groups you create. You will see the save group option. Just enable it. Number 4 is send link to the highlighted text. Instead of sending the whole article, you can share a specific part with your friends. Simply select the text you want to highlight, right click and choose copy link to highlight. When your friend open the link, it will take them directly to the exact spot you want them to read. Number 5. Reopen close tab. If you accidentally close a tab, no worry, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus T and it will reopen the closed tab, saving you from losing important information. Remember, these Chrome tips can enhance your browsing experience and make tasks easier. And if you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.